Hello, everybody. This is Chuck Carnevale, co-founder of FastGraphs, the fundamentals analyzer software tool, aka Mr. Valuation, bringing you another Lessons in Valuation 2-minute drill subscriber request series. By the way, these are companies that subscribers has asked to see, not companies that I'm personally featuring. One company subscribers asked to see was a company called Comfort Systems USA, symbol FIX. Now, this is a company that's in construction and engineering, and what I've got on the graph here is a plotting of the company's operating earnings per share. And what I really like about this series is it shows you how FastGraphs really identifies the company behind the stock. Notice how the company's earnings grew here up and through 2008, the Great Recession, and then we had several years of negative earnings growth. And then in more recent years, if I shorten this to an 11-year graph, we see the company's had very consistent growth. When I put weekly closing stock prices on the graph, you can see that the company's price always correlates to that growth. I run this out a little higher, a little different growth rate, but I still get this high correlation. The company was overvalued at the beginning of last year. It's now reasonably valued. The point is, though, the historical growth has been 25.5%. If I go to forecasting, they're expecting the growth to drop to 13%. There are 7 analysts that are following and reporting on the company. The company would have to sell at its normal multiple of over 21 times earnings, and I would submit that I consider that to be a very high multiple for a company only growing at 13%. It's an appropriate multiple for a company that's growing at 25% like it was here, but not if it's going to continue to grow. Anyway, this has been Chuck Carnevale, co-founder of FastGraphs, bringing you the subscriber request on Comfort Systems USA, FIX. If you like what you see here, remember, do your own research and due diligence. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give me a like, join the YouTube channel, and take a look at FastGraphs. You can see how FastGraphs really helps you identify the business behind the stock and how the market is pricing it. Thanks for watching.